Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonoluwa Inde, one of the economic developers within the Kringle community. We need to see the invisible. I'm charging us today, we need to see the invisible. If what we can see is limited by only what our physical eyes can capture, then we are handicapped. Yes, we need to see the invisible. We are creating a new economy based on abundance. We need to see the invisible. We need to understand the point from which TBC is coming. TBC is a community with an economy, with a currency. Yes, we are building a new economy based on abundance. We have a mission with a currency, not a currency with a no, but we have a mission with a currency. Guys, most times we often think that being handicapped is if one is having a dysfunctional part in the body. No, not so. Being handicapped is putting limitation on one's functionality, putting limitation on God's ability in you, and limiting all God's resources within your control. Guys, we can make it. We can get to our mass adoption fast. We can build this culture. Let us go ahead. Let's do it. We can have all these food subsidy centers across. We can do it. Let's go all out. And I'm using this opportunity to challenge the Nigerian community, TBC community. Let us go all out. Let us make it. Let us get it done. Let us get it done. Is your vision wider than the stretch of your eyes? How far can you see? How far can you see? Most men and women are constrained by what is obvious, and that is why they live in the box. We need to live outside the box. We need to remove every form of limitation that is caging us and bounding us. Let us increase our numbers. Let us increase the inflow of funds. Let us ensure we get people on board. Let us go all out with every form of rigorous prospecting. Let's tell them what it is all about. Let's show them the love that is embedded in TBC. Excuse me, let us teach them a lot of things that TBC has come to do. Let them see the abundance that is embedded in TBC. Let us think outside the box. Let us get the core team complete fast. Let us build our food subsidy centers across the world. We can do it. Let us not relent on our hearts. Let us not relent on our hearts. Let us not relent on our hearts. I challenge you and I charge you. Let us get it done. It is time. Let us get it done. TBC, we can make it. TBC, we have transformed the world for over 5 years now, and we can get it done. Let's do it fast. I love you all. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel and share to other ones.